How to kill bamboo permanently. Bamboo is a member of the grass family and is quite invasive. Any space bamboo can flourish, it will take over if left alone. If you need to control the spread of bamboo or eliminate it, be prepared for a long, hard fight. Bamboo is very persistent and will do everything to resist your efforts to kill it. There are two ways you can go about killing bamboo. The first is to use chemicals, while the second approach is to use your garden tools. Let's start with the chemical approach. Cut bamboo to soil level and allow new shoots to grow. As weird as it may sound, you must enable the bamboo to regrow after cutting it down or mowing it to the ground. This way, you can then use your herbicide to spray or paint it. If you try to apply herbicide to mature bamboo, you are wasting your time. Instead, you could time your bamboo cutting for late winter so that by the time new growth arrives in late spring or early summer, you can apply the herbicide. Remove rhizomes that grow underground as new shoots regrow. As soon as you see a new shoot emerges, cut away the rhizomes, stems, that grow underground. Use a sharp shovel or garden implement to do the job. Also, remove as many clumps of roots as you can. You will have to dig deep for the roots as they are known to grow from around 2 feet underground. Follow the root network, which travels horizontally across the area. Dig out as much as possible even as you apply herbicide to the bamboo shoots. Put glyphosate herbicide on the bamboo stalks, leaves, and shoots. Glyphosate herbicide is a powerful agent that kills any plant with which it comes into contact. So, it would be best if you were careful that you apply this herbicide only to the bamboo shoot, leaves, and stalks. Allow enough time for the herbicide to penetrate the plant. Unless you are told to do so, avoid applying this herbicide to the soil surrounding the bamboo. This application does not work. Also, be careful with the herbicide if the bamboo you want to kill is close to any water supply source like a lake or river. Avoid contaminating the water. Use a stump and root killer. An alternative is to chop down the bamboo and apply a stump and root killing solution containing glyphosate or triclopyr to the regrowing foliage. Unfortunately, one application of herbicide to bamboo is not enough to get rid of it. You will need to continue this treatment until there is no sign of bamboo growth anywhere. This treatment will take diligence on your part as you must look out for new shoots and apply your herbicide every time a recent shoot emerges. At the same time, you must continue to dig out the rhizomes, underground stems, with your sharp garden spade or digging implement. Bamboo is a pesky plant that will find ways around you if you are not alert. When using herbicide, carefully follow the instructions. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.